Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing today? Hope you're having a great and wonderful day. This is a short video. Just want to come back and show you guys that this system is working. I just dropped a video earlier, but I want to come back and show you some proof. Right after that, some payments came through. Copy and paste, guys, is really simple. Place ads, guys. You can run traffic, you can run text message, whatever you want to do. But I have some ads out here, so it really works. I wanted to try the ads, and that's where one of my sales came from, okay? Copy paste ads. It's $100 commissions that you're going to make. It's only $149 one time, okay? There's no pass-ups. $149, and you make instant commissions, $100 commissions, okay? You can receive your commissions via PayPal, Stripe, or Cash App, okay? So just want to show you proof. I just got started in this, maybe a week or so ago, okay? And I started placing my ads. So here you go. Let me show you that. Okay, as you can see right there. I don't want to show the people's name. That's the user's name. Okay, see? $200 is sitting there, okay, just for placing those ads. So this does work. I will be happy to share with you places you can do this, guys. But $200 is sitting in my account. See, that's me right there. Okay, and this is copy paste ads back office that I'm in. Okay, so you know that's me, Postcard Diva. $200, and they both came in the same day. Okay, see right there? It tells you the day that they came in. Okay, so this definitely works. Copy paste ads. I'm gonna put my link below, show you what I'm doing to make this happen, and we'll get you started as well, guys. Again, $149 one time to make $100 instant commissions. Okay, I'm going to put the link below for you guys, and so you can get started as well. All right, we'll see you guys on the inside. You guys have a blessed day.